Kumar, Sanu, amazing person, amazing talent, was on Big Boss 14, and I was there in it for 2 weeks and happened to meet him, and what a wonderful guy. So go follow him, guys. He's a sweetheart. Um, Missing your biryani blog, says Ria. I've already done my biryani blog. I think this time I'm gonna do my French toast blog and you're gonna love it. गौहर, आई मिस योर नमाज पढ़ के मुझ पे दुआ फूकना. और इनफैक्ट मैंने अभी दुआ की है, अभी नमाज पढ़ी है. सो जान, दिस इज़ फॉर यू. खुश रहो, आबाद रहो, अच्छे रहो, healthy रहो. He's so sweet. He used to come up to me and I would always fuko on him like, the mothers do in life, namaz padhne ke baad. So yeah. Amay says, Jan, amazing voice. Yes, he has an amazing voice. He used to keep us entertained with his songs and his talent when we were inside. हसीना आस्क, जैद भाई कहाँ है? जैद भाई है, लेकिन अभी इस वक्त लाइफ पे नहीं है. Zeb says, you are amazing. Thank you so much. Ankush, hi. Okay, Ankush Bahuguna, you are absolutely crazy. Zaid and I, of course, before marriage, I was your fan. Now Zaid also, because I made him follow you and he loves your content. So, you are absolutely crazy, by the way. Guys, go follow Ankush Bahuguna. He's amazing. He's talented. He's funny. Makes some great content. So go follow him. Prakash says, ma'am, I'm your big fan. Thank you very much. Naad says, looking cute. Thank you very much. Harfan Mola, inspiration for all of us. Zuhair, that is a lovely compliment. Thank you so much. Ankush says, I'm a cry. Don't cry. Don't cry, Ankush. You know I have all of my love for you. Gohar Encyclopedia says, the Noor. Oh, thank you. Gee, you're the bestest. So sweet. Love you. I love you too, Ankush. You're fab. How to wear a dupatta like this? Aneta Ahona. Okay, let me show you what I do. Okay. So, दुपट्टे का 1/4 side लीजिए, put it over your head, fold it and put it behind your ear, then take it up from your ear, above your ear, and then leave it. Isn't it cute? I think it's lovely. So I hope you learned that. May Allah bless you. Please do lots of ibadat, says Farha. Yes, of course. Without ibadat, there is no Ramadan. So you must pray. All the rozas that everybody keeps, नमाज के बिना रोज़ा नहीं होता. तो I would love to tell everybody कि आप ज़रूर नमाज भी पढ़ें, इबादत भी करें और लोगों की मदद भी करें, because without charity, without love, there is no Ramadan. So please follow that. Tina says, take my name. Okay, I just did. Veer Solanki says, super cute G. Thank you. I was watching your wedding video. Thank you, Namrata. Cute Samira says, you didn't even type. What is it? Rest in peace for Hina's dad. Because cute Samira, I am not a fake person to be only on social media. What I had to do, I did it. And my connection with Hina is in my heart. And I don't need to post anything on social media to prove anything to really silly people like you. So please keep your negativity to yourself and don't bring it here. I am an individual and I take my decisions on a personal level. And what I feel and how I feel, I react accordingly. And I would always do that. And I have her dad in my prayers. I have her in my prayers. And I don't need to prove anything to silly people like you who only live your lives on social media and think just by putting a condolence on social media, you are feeling something. That's not true. When you feel, you feel. And when you feel, you reach out to the person. You don't have to prove it to the janta. Understand? God, this just makes me so angry. Anyway, You know, people are so sick. I swear, people are so sick. Let me just address this, by the way. I lost my dad a month and a half ago, okay? And people were so quick to judge, saying, oh, you're already posting stuff and you're already, putting pictures or you're putting dance videos. I'm like, do you people even know what it takes to get over a loss? Do you know that a person doesn't need to sit like this and wonder, oh my God, I'm losing somebody? You don't do that. In Islam, you can't have a sog more than 3 days. You can't cry and be in sadness more than 3 days. You have to move on. You have to live your life. You have to carry on with love of the person that you've lost. So don't you dare, all you people who think that, oh, by posting things on, commenting on social media, that you're going to be like, oh my God, you're out there judging people. Keep your judgments to yourself and let people be the way they want to heal, the way they want to come out of things, the way they want to function. Stop judging people. And I really wanted to keep this light today, but just because of that comment, I'm so upset, because I've heard enough of this shit. I've heard enough of this nonsense where people just want answers and people think you are answerable to them. Nobody's answerable to you. Trolls wanting to comment on people's pages. Mind your own business and let people be, let people heal. And I'm 100% sure people will go out there, अरे अभी तो हुआ है ना भाई, अभी तो, अरे शर्म करो यार. Somebody's lost someone, and only we know. People who lose people know how to deal with it, and everyone's healing process is different. Everybody's healing process is different, and you are nobody to judge that. You are nobody to judge someone's life. क्या पहना है, क्या खाया है, क्या सोया है, यही करने आते हो सोशल मीडिया पे. जियो और जीने दो. बेशर्म. Anyway. I just wanted to be happy today, and this is what happens. Anyway, let's keep it light, okay? Syed N0716 says, I like the way Zaid records you while you recite the Quran. I know, it's cute, right? I have the best husband ever. Alhamdulillah. Hi guys, I'm still reading your messages. Jan says, moving on is the toughest thing ever. Don't ever have to reply to people. Your purity shows on your face. Thanks, Jan. So sweet of you. Tell Zaid I love him. Anju Patel. Okay, I will tell him. Ankur says, where did it go? Okay, hold on, guys. I think my connect. I'm sorry, guys. I had to connect to a different Wi-Fi. Okay, sorry, I missed a few messages. Let me just read it. I read Jan's. I really respect you and love you. जिनको कहना है वो कहते रहेंगे. Aisha, so sweet. Thank you. Ankush says, God never changed. Love how you shut people down. You do you. You are hot. Oh, so sweet. Thanks, Ankush. Assalamu alaikum from Norway, Rehan. Thank you so much. Raheel, my friend, how are you? Big hug. I hope you're doing well. I love your pictures from Kashmir, by the way. They are panchayati people, says Meban Adnan. I completely agree. That word is bang on. Panchayati, panchayat. कि तुम्हारे घर में क्या चल रहा है, तुम ऐसे क्यों हो, तुम वैसे क्यों हो. I just want to slap all of them. I swear, I want to slap everybody who's judgmental. I swear, my God. I'm just on my thing today. I'm just like, so upset. Insha Bazaar says, I don't know if you'll ever read my DMs, but agar yahan par liya comment, you're so strong and make others strong. I love you so much and please remember me in your prayers. That's really sweet. Thank you so much. You are so inspiring, says P. Thakkar. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Jan Kumar says, God smile. I'm smiling now, darling. Thank you. You and Zaid look very cute together, says Mittal. Thank you very much. Sonali says, please take my name. I just did. You're very pretty, mashallah, says Humaira Muzammil. Thank you very much. Everyone who's sending in love. Rosie kaise chal rahe hain, says Rashid. Alhamdulillah, very very good. पता भी नहीं चल रहा है, कि रमज़ान इतने ब्यूटीफुली गुजर रहा है. Hi from San Francisco, says Lovely. Hi, my sister lives there. My God, I miss her so much. You're such a pure soul, says Sharia. Thank you very much. Everyone who's telling me to ignore people like that, yes, I can ignore them, but then it's just so much, and like I've been ignoring it for so long. Like every picture that I posted after my dad passed away, there were comments saying, "Oh, आपके dad को 40 दिन भी नहीं हुए हैं, oh आपके dad को," and I was like शर्म नहीं आती तुमको? Like, you're reminding me 20,000 times of how I've lost my father. You don't need to remind me, losers. I already know that. So every day I ignored that, and now when someone else unfortunately has lost a dad and they expect me to put a rest in peace on social media, excuse me, I don't need to do that. To let someone know that I'm there for them. I'm there for her, and she knows that, I'm sure. How dare you judge that? My God. Core Encyclopedia says, I cannot believe you're looking this pretty without makeup and filter. Alhamdulillah. I think it is what you are inside, right? If you're inside good, you're going to be good on the outside no matter what you look like. So yeah. And I also feel like the hijab makes you prettier. I don't know. I always feel that. Does anyone else feel that? It's